When you stock up your spice rack, your first priority is probably the basics: garlic powder, cayenne for a little kick, turmeric for your anti-inflammatory lattes, and, of course, salt and pepper. But, the next time you're rebuilding your inventory, you might consider another staple: cloves. Cloves may not be in most of your recipes, but they're worthy of a spot in your diet. The flower buds come from a type of tropical evergreen native to Indonesia. They've been used for centuries in many different types of cuisines like Indian, Thai, and Indonesian. They have also been a part of traditional medicines for years due to their wide range of health benefits. And in today's video, we will tell you what they are. Please watch till the end to learn about all of them. 1. Boosts your immunity. Clove has vitamin C, which is known to increase white blood cells in the body. This further helps your body fight any infections or diseases. Having 2 cloves in the morning helps you stay healthy and keep diseases at bay. 2. Improves digestion. For healthy living, you need a good digestive system. Consuming cloves in the morning helps you treat any digestive problems. Cloves increase the secretion of digestive enzymes which prevent digestive disorders like constipation and indigestion. Cloves are full of fiber, which is good for your digestive health. 3. Promotes liver function. It is your liver which detoxifies your body and metabolizes the medicines you consume. To ensure the functioning of your liver, you must have cloves every day. Cloves have eugenol, which is known to improve liver function. 4. Gives relief from toothache. Clove oil is usually applied to the teeth to prevent toothache. Consuming cloves can also help in reducing toothache. Cloves have local anesthetic properties that prevent discomfort for some time. Also, if you have got your tooth treated, then having cloves helps soothe the pain. 5. Prevents headaches. Cloves have eugenol, which has analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. This makes this spice an amazing remedy for headaches. You can consume them as is for relief or even have clove powder with a glass of milk. Applying clove oil on your temples also helps in giving you relief. 6. Good for your bones. Cloves contain certain elements like flavonoids, manganese, and eugenol that promote bone and joint health. These substances increase bone density, they are involved in the creation of bone tissue, and they transport healthy minerals to our bones. 7. Removes bacteria present in your mouth. Having 2 cloves in the morning is helpful in removing harmful bacteria from your mouth. It also improves your gum health. Overall, it is great for your oral hygiene. You can also prepare a mouthwash at home using clove and basil. 8. Helps in regulating blood sugar level. If you are a diabetic, then you must add cloves to your diet. Cloves work like insulin in your body. By exporting excess sugar from your blood, they help to restore the blood sugar balance and keep it in check. 9. Slow down blood clotting. The eugenol found in cloves is known to slow down blood clotting. Just keep in mind that this can react badly with blood thinner medications. Consulting your doctor is necessary before you begin to incorporate more cloves into your diet. 10. Cloves are full of antioxidants. Cloves are the #1 and most potent dietary source of polyphenols. Polyphenols are micronutrients that we absorb when we eat plants. They have great benefits for our body. They lower cholesterol and blood pressure, improve the function and flexibility of the arteries, and increase longevity. Do you use cloves regularly? What do you use it for? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.